Hey, what's up, you guys? My name is Kiana. I am a software engineer. I have my bachelor's degree in computer science, and I don't know, I decided to start this channel because if I were to teach anything in this lifetime, I don't know what I would be better qualified to teach than something I've spent at least 4 years learning. So, welcome to my channel. I'll be teaching Python best as I know how. Geez, already nervous. But yeah, so when you think of Python, it's a coding language. You can build software with it. You can build all types of stuff with it. But before we get into that, we need to start with the basics. So I guess I just thought of this now. The first series of videos will be the basics of Python. I will probably do what I learned in my very first Python class. Well, not the very first Python class, because if you've ever been to college, you know, the very first class is legit always going over the syllabus, whether it's a 16-week class, 8-week class, you go over the syllabus. This class doesn't have a syllabus. Look at me being a witty professor. I'm not a professor. I'm just a girl who learned Python. Anyways, let's start coding. I didn't realize I have an account, so I'll probably cut this up and be right back. All right, so now we're inside of my Replit. I think I have stuff here. I used it for a coding bootcamp once. I still might have some code here. But in order to create your first Python program in Replit, anyways, we're gonna start Python. And we're gonna call this Hello World because what else is more imaginative than also look at the keyboard when I type, which is such a bad trait, but I never broke it. So the school I went to never taught me any different. Anyways, so it's booting. Nice. All right, so we don't really need packages or files because this is the very I just hit the mic. I'm so sorry. This is the very first code. Very first code. So, hello world. Simple print statement. We're not making a function, nothing like that. So in order to do your first hello world program, I want you to write print parentheses. Honestly, in earlier versions of Python, even the print statements were different, but this is what we're doing right now. Hello world. That's it. That's as simple as I can make it. And now you're gonna run it, and it's gonna print to the terminal. That is it. That is your first ever program. I wish it. Yep, that's it. That's literally it. And I feel like people might have this idea that coding is hard. It's not hard. It's just, are you dedicated enough? Are you psychotic enough to see a problem and want nothing more than to fix it? Here we are. But yeah, that's Hello World. Hopefully it helps some of you out there. I guess this was like a Replit tutorial as well, because apparently some people don't know how to use Replit. It's just an IDE. Anyways, thanks for watching.